Good afternoon, all of you. So today's session is being organized by Association of International Wealth Management of India, and this is the Financial Education Week 2020, which started from 17th May and it will continue till 23rd May 2020. And the member partner is Xqualify, which is looking after for professional membership in the areas of alternative investment, financial education, financial literacy, banking, mutual funds, insurance, to name a few. Now, today's workshop or today's session is on insurance क्यों जरूरी है, a complete insight. Basically this is a informative session making all my participants understand what is insurance and why the importance of insurance should be required at the current stage where a huge pandemic of COVID 2019 happened, and none of us will be able to know prior that what need to be done in order to get protection for our family members. Now, why I've chosen this topic? Because this topic is very important in one's life. Maybe many of us will be knowing this since this pandemic, that protection of our family members is very important. And the one of the most prominent medium to give protection is insurance. Why insurance is important? So let's start this session, that why insurance is important. Now, financial planning. Financial planning means the planning or the plan you will be doing it with the means of money. So where the money is concerned and you will be planning how to spend the money, that is financial planning. Now, let's start. What is financial planning all about? Normally, people always think it is not really possible to fulfill all their goals or dreams without having a higher salary or belonging to a rich family. So it is assumed that if a person is not belong to a rich family and they don't have higher salary, they won't be able to do the financial planning. My dear participants, this is not true. With the help of financial planning, you can achieve all your life goals or dreams. For example, the gap between I can't and I can is the financial planning. So I can't. You all are thinking that no, I can't use money. I can't use money, or I should not invest at this moment of time. But when there is an emergency, then this fund and this particular protection will only help you. For example, you are going by a road, and if you met in an accident, then and if suppose that person lost one of the organs of the body, then who will be suffering? The family member, the person themselves, that he won't be able to do the work properly. So for this, had he taken a protection prior to happening of the event, then that particular person, the risk or the money will be transferred from the protection provider. So I can't till I can. The moment you convert I can into the possibility of taking a protection, then you will be fully secured. It does not mean that you are not rich and you are not having high salary that you won't be protecting yourself. Do you want to know how should you protect yourself? Most important question. Now let's study that. We have to set up a plan towards our financial goal. Like we set up a plan that we have to go for a movie, we have to spend time with the family, we have to go for dinner outside in a restaurant, we have to send our kid to this school, we have to purchase a car, we have to purchase a house. Like same way we have to protect yourself also. You should know your needs, your time frame, and the resources to reach your financial goals. Most important three things: you should know your needs, the time to fulfill your needs, and resources to reach your financial goals. Most important, particularly after the corona pandemic. All these information are very crucial, very crucial. Without the above step, it is really impossible to set up a plan. For example, if you don't know your time frame, then how should you invest? You don't know. How should you invest? Where to invest? So you should be knowing that where to invest your hard earned money. Now it's time to implement the plan. For example, you want to, you have a plan, you have a goal that I want to send my child to this particular college, this particular school. And after graduation, my child will be doing this thing. So you have planned something. Likewise, you should plan for yourself. If something happened to me, what will be the possibility for my family members? So, category of financial goal. You have to define your financial goal, whether it is for creating wealth, whether it is for day to day running of day to day expenses, I need funds, or whether it is for protection. Protection means it is most important. We purchase a car. Why are we purchasing insurance? Why? Is there a need? Just if anything happened to your car, you should be given the funds by a insurance provider. Same way, why we are hesitant in purchasing a life insurance cover or a health insurance cover for ourselves and for our family. Why? If you are not there, then who will be bearing the burden of making your family run the way it used to be when you are present? And my dear participants, believe me, in the corona pandemic, every second person is a suspect. Every second person. This is the right time for you all to take a protection plan for your family members. The main purpose of insurance is to provide protection against any unseen eventuality. No one has seen that corona pandemic occurred in India, in world. Even the big bull of Indian stock market, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, lost many crores of rupees because he himself doesn't know the ill effect of the pandemic on the inflow and outflow of the money market. Many of us don't have protection or financial replacement. If there are three persons in the family, husband working 35 years of age in a private institution, there is a wife and there is a kid of 3 years. And if suppose the person met in an accident and he is no more, then how will the wife and the son go along fulfilling the needs without the bread earner of the family? And had the case been opposite, the particular person will be protected, then the insurance provider will be giving the funds to the wife and the son of that particular deceased individual. So you need adequate life insurance cover, disability cover also. You are working in any factory or any critical process, you require disability cover, accidental cover, hospitalization. For a small treatment, you went to an hospital. And critical illness, there are many critical illnesses are there now. Companies are specifically coming on for cancer shield, critical shield, kidney cover, heart ailment. Now COVID-19 is also covered in each and every life as well as the other health insurance plans. Without proper protection, your whole family plan is at risk. Yes, definitely. You and your wife and that kid, you are planning to buy a house, but in between there is a this happening that the husband is no more. Then what about the house? Forget about the house. You can't go for the normal routine, normal life, because there may be a loan, car loan, which is already pending. Then who will be suffering? The survivors of that particular individual, because it is the foundation of financial pyramid. Can you build your house in a weak foundation? No. That is why first step should be, you should be protected completely. All the family members, what type of protection do my family need? Yes, first is life insurance. जिंदगी नहीं रहेगी, आप ही नहीं रहेंगे, तो बाकी के खर्चों का, लाइफस्टाइल का, एसेट्स का, कार का, गाड़ी का, बंगले का क्या करेंगे? The purpose is to maintain at least normal lifestyle in your absence. So you are giving this protection, passing you this protection to your family members. So you need to have right amount of protection for your family. Always remember that life insurance is never an investment or a tax saving instrument. Please remember, my dear participants, insurance is never an investment option or a tax saving instrument. This is only meant to take protection, protection, protection. Critical illness, it is also called as living death. You have suffered from a certain illness and you are not living life happily, properly, and your family members are also disturbed due to lack of funds, frequently going to the hospital for treatment, checkup. But if you have the protection health insurance plan, medical plan, then this burden will be somehow reduced. Nowadays, due to very hectic lifestyle, chances of suffering from cancer, heart attack, stroke, and other major illnesses are increasing. And with the help of modern medical benefit, the survival rate has also increased. But you should have taken protection plan. That is why, suppose if X person suffered from a major heart attack and the person is protected from a cover, then this particular amount of money will be provided by the insurance and they are going for a treatment. ठीक है डॉक्टर साहब, आप करिए, 15 लगेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप मेरा ट्रीटमेंट करिए, फैमिली ये कहेगी. लेकिन अगर उनके पास पैसा ही नहीं होगा तो और टेंशन में आ जाएंगे और ट्रीटमेंट कहीं ना कहीं सही नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है मेरे पास 20 लाख का कवर है, 15 लाख का हार्ट ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है, ठीक है हमारी कंपनी दे देगी, प्लीज डॉक्टर यू गिव योर बेस्ट. तो उस केस में डॉक्टर भी अपना बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट करेगा. इस चीज को हिंदुस्तान में नहीं समझा जाता. हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इंश्योरेंस, it will take care of you and your family's hospitalization cost at the time of any medical emergency. एक बात सिंपल सी बताइए, अगर कोई भी इमरजेंसी हुई है तो पहले आप पेशेंट को एडमिट कराएंगे या पहले आप पेमेंट की दुविधा को दूर करेंगे? ज्यादातर हॉस्पिटल्स में क्या होता है कि अगर आप हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इंश्योरेंस नहीं है तो आपको पहले वो कहेंगे साहब पहले पेमेंट करिए फिर हम इनको इन करेंगे. इतने बीच में अगर आपके ट्रीटमेंट में डिले हो गई तो कौन सफर करेगा? आपका फैमिली मेंबर को सफर होगी. कुछ चंद पैसों की वजह से आप हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कवर नहीं लेते, मेडिकल हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस नहीं लेते, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस नहीं लेते हम लोग. लेकिन कोविड-19 के बाद से और मेरे इस सेशन के बाद से आप लोग इमीडिएटली अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के पास बैठिए और इस बात पे विचार करिए कि हमें अपनी प्रोटेक्शन जरूर ही लेना है. पैसा कमा रहे हैं, ठीक है, किस लिए कमा रहे हैं? अदरवाइज यू हैव टू पे फ्रॉम योर सेविंग्स. अगर आपने हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया, मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया इमरजेंसी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, तो आप अपनी सेविंग से पे करेंगे और वो सेविंग आपने किसी और पर्पस के लिए रखी हुई होगी. मे बी यू आर रिपेइंग द EMI ऑफ अ लोन. स्कूल किड की स्कूल फी आप दे रहे होंगे, तो वहां पे आपको दिक्कत आएगी. और यू हैव टू बोरो फ्रॉम समवन. बोरो जब भी करेंगे तो आप एक डेट ट्रैप में जाएंगे, डेट लायबिलिटी होगी. यू हैव टू पे विद इंटरेस्ट. जितना बोरो कर रहे हैं उससे ज्यादा आप पे करेंगे. फॉर विच योर फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग माइट बी हैम्पर्ड. पहले तो कोई प्लानिंग करी नहीं है, एंड इफ यू हैव डन द फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग देन दैट विल बी हैम्पर्ड इफ यू आर नॉट प्रॉपर्ली कवर्ड, प्रोटेक्टेड. It is also advisable to go for an annual health checkup. जरूर कराएं. इंडिया में only 3.5% individuals go for annual health checkup. अभी कॉर्पोरेट्स में जरूर हेल्थ चेकअप होने लगा है, बट इट इज नॉट अ प्रैक्टिस, जनरल प्रैक्टिस इन इंडिया दैट यू गो फॉर अ एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप फॉर योर फैमिली. आईज, नोज, ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर, इसका ट्रीटमेंट कराएंगे, बट तभी कराएंगे ना कि जब आपका हेल्थ प्लान में ये चीजें कवर है, देन ओनली यू शुड गो. दिस विल नॉट ओनली हेल्प इन क्रिएटिंग वेल्थ, बट ऑल्सो if fewer claims are done, then the premium will also get reduced. Now the companies have done very good thing. They have put a criteria that if you are active for 13-15 days in a month, then your next premium will be reduced up to a maximum of 30%. तो अगर आप कोई भी प्रीमियम 10,000 रुपए दे रहे हैं और उस साल आप एक्टिव हैं महीने में 13 से 15 दिन, तो कंपनी ये मानती है कि आपको डिसीज होने के चांसेस कम होंगे. सो यू विल गिव 30% लेस प्रीमियम इन योर सेकंड ईयर. तो सेकंड ईयर में आपका प्रीमियम होगा सिर्फ 7,000. That is why we are saying that it help in creating you wealthy. Also, अगर आपका फिट रहेंगे तो आप हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन नहीं जाएंगे, तो वहां पे जो पैसा बच रहा है वो आप किसी और पर्पस में यूज कर सकते हैं. डिसेबिलिटी इंश्योरेंस, द पर्पस इज टू गेट फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस व्हेन वन इज डिसेबल्ड. He is no more able to work in any particular organization, then there may be some money given to the particular person on a periodic basis. कुछ सालों तक उसे कुछ पेमेंट कंपनी देती रहती है उसके डिसेबिलिटी के लिए. हाउस होल्ड इंश्योरेंस, यू हैव फॉर योर एंटायर हाउस होल्ड एसेट. वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में ये चीज बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, बट इंडिया में ये चीज उतनी प्रोमिनेंट नहीं है. दैट एसेट्स मींस वॉशिंग मशीन, फ्रिज, AC, टीवी, DVD, कार, मोबाइल, इन सबका इंश्योरेंस होता है. Do I need to have all of them? No. You have to have all of them based upon your need and requirement. Yes, you should have all of them, but based upon your need and requirement. The answer is obviously yes. Each and every insurance plan has different purpose, and you need all to protect your financial plan. How much insurance do I need? This is the most vital and important question in financial planning when it comes to purchasing insurance. It depends upon your assets and your liabilities. आपका कितना ओनरशिप है, कितना आप ओन करते हो, कितना आपकी लाइबिलिटी है फ्यूचर की. As most of the employers are not providing complete family health insurance. जितने भी एम्प्लॉयर हैं, आप जिस भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, वहां पे कंप्लीट फैमिली इंश्योरेंस नहीं दिया जाता. अगर दिया भी जाता है तो वो उस ऑप्टिमम लेवल पर नहीं होता है. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, if you do not buy it now, then it will be very difficult for you to buy a new policy at the required time. जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, एक्सीडेंट हो गया, पर्सन नहीं रहा, उसने इंश्योरेंस लिया होता तो उसको फैमिली को सपोर्ट होती, अब नहीं होगी. दूसरी चीज, आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बदल देते हैं तो आपका इंश्योरेंस भी वहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाता है. If you want to buy it at the right time of your retirement, you should be reaping the benefit. Don't think this as a waste of money. No, protection is never a waste of money. And also, the more you grow older, the higher your premium will be. You have to end up paying more. Remember this thing. Consult a good financial advisor for the optimum premium. Now let's understand this with the help of an example, a beautiful story. Let's understand the concept of insurance through this beautiful story. Amini is a small island in Arabian Sea. There is a small island named Amini in Arabian Sea. The main purpose of people living in Amini is fishing. उनकी main occupation fishing थी. There are 5,000 families in the island which depend on fishing as the main source of income. Their main source of income is fishing, and there are 5,000 families living. These fishermen go out in group of 10 to do fishing. There are 500 boats which are used by this group, and they go to the sea at least twice in a month for catching fish. The fish caught by them is not only used by local but also exported. So they catch the fish in abundance that after feeding their stomach, they are exporting this fish and also earning some revenue. The fishing activity has been going on for many years for now, 2 times a week. The head of the island, उमडोडी, अमीनी आइलैंड का एक सेक्रेटरी सॉर्ट ऑफ आप कह सकते हो, उमडोडी, हैज बीन ऑब्जर्विंग दैट एवरी ईयर एटलीस्ट वन फिशरमैन डाई. हर साल एक फिशरमैन की मृत्यु हो जाती है किसी कारणवश. फिश के लिए गए, एकदम से स्टॉर्म आया और डेथ हो गई. While when this fisherman die, it is a great loss to his family. Remember one thing, it is a great loss to his family. The annual income of the fisherman family is around 60,000. साल के 60,000 रुपीज एक फिशरमैन की फैमिली को अर्न होते हैं. लेकिन जब वो फिशरमैन फिश के लिए नहीं जाएगा एंड ही इज नो मोर, तो वो 60,000 रुपए का नुकसान उसकी फैमिली को हो रहा है था. एज अ लीडर ऑफ द आइलैंड, अमडोबी हैज बीन कंसर्न्ड अबाउट दिस. उसे इसकी चिंता हुई. देयर आर एटलीस्ट 50 families which are financially suffering because of loss of their key member. 5,000 फैमिलीज में से 50 फैमिली के साथ ऐसा हुआ कि उनके जो मेल थे, मेन अर्नर ऑफ द फैमिली थे, फिशर, वो उनकी डेथ हो गई, तो उनकी फैमिली को 60,000 रुपए का नुकसान हुआ. एवरी टाइम दीज फिशरमैन गो आउट फॉर फिशिंग, द एंटायर फैमिली इज वरीड. वो वरीड होती हैं कि क्या वो वापस आ पाएंगे, नहीं आ पाएंगे. till the time fishermen come back, it is a struggle every day. Umdobi has been thinking for a while for creating a solution for this problem and his community. Umdobi ये सोच रहे थे कि अमीनी जो जगह है वहां के इन सभी फिशरमैन के लिए क्या ऐसा करें कि ये प्रोटेक्टेड भी रहें और कम्युनिटी में एक हेल्पफुल और प्रोटेक्शन की भावना आए. Finally, he thought he got a solution. Finally, he thought that he got a solution. He asked every fisherman family to pay rupees 250 every year, so he could have 12,50,000 in total amount. If anyone die while fishing, the family would receive 12 lakh. Using this money, the family could manage the income of rupees 60,000 per year for next 20 years. 60,000 per year for next 20 years. So for a small sum of only rupees 250 per year, the family can protect the financial loss. The family can protect the financial loss. The solution appeal to all family members of the fishermen. They no longer have to worry about their family expenses. At least if something happened to their key family member, they all agreed to pay rupees 250 every year. As expected, soon some of the fishermen died in the sea and the family received 12 lakh. Unlike other family which are financially struggling, this time the family managed to receive financial support from Umdobi. Now, every year fishermen are happy to pay rupees 250 every year so that their family will be protected by Umdobi. Now, this problem is solved. Umdobi was thinking about other issues faced by the fishermen community. These issues are, he also noticed that every year at least 30 fishermen boats were damaged. Now the assets were damaged. 3 boats were damaged by rough water at sea, and those affected had to borrow money to buy new fishing boat. They have to borrow money, again a liability to them, which becomes a huge burden on the family. Another issue faced by these families during monsoon time. Some people fell sick and they had to be treated for illness. The treatment again is expensive and family have to borrow money if it happens to them. Based upon this past experience, Umdobi decided to implement a similar solution. He estimated that cost of each boat is rupees 1 lakh, and he need rupees to 3 lakh if he had to support the group of fishermen who lost their boat. So he decided to charge 600 rupees per boat, which was equally shared by 10 fishermen. Each fisherman had to contribute only rupees 60. Similarly, the average cost of treatment was rupees 10,000, and at least 100 family fell sick every year. So he decided to collect 200 per family for providing treatment to 100 families who fell sick. So there are three situations. One is for life, one is for assets, and one is for the treatment. So health insurance, life insurance, and vehicle insurance. In case of boat, is the three cover which Umdobi decided to give protection to. With this arrangement in place, the community of Amini lived peacefully. They no longer had to borrow money for unexpected financial losses like loss of key family member, loss of boat or medical expenses. Each family was happy to give rupees 510 every year to get financial protection from their leader Umdobi. These are 200 for the treatment, 250 for the life insurance, and 60 rupees for the asset, that is the purchasing of the boat. 500. What Umdobi created for this group is called the insurance facility. The principle of insurance is to provide compensation for financial risk that can happen to any one of us. To provide compensation, insurance companies collect a small amount which is called premium, to give protection. Key insurance terms, key insurance terms to remember. Now you have to remember the key insurance terms. Sum assured. Umdobi promises to give rupees 12 lakh in case of death of the fisherman, and rupees 1 lakh in case of boat damage, and rupees 10,000 for medical treatment. This promise, this promise given by Umdobi, this promise given by Umdobi is called the sum assured. This promise given by Umdobi is called the sum assured. This is the most important factor in insurance. If the sum assured is less, then the compensation amount received will be less and there will be a financial loss. If more sum assured is taken, then it will be incurring every year more expenses on the premium, so it should be optimally taken. Now, hence, right sum assured is to be estimated and considered before buying an insurance plan. Before you buy an insurance plan. Now, premium. Now, what is premium? Premium. People of Amini pay rupees 510 every year to protect themselves against financial loss. The rupees 510 is called the premium amount. The premium is based on the sum assured in relation to the sum assured. The type of insurance, we have different type of insurance like the life insurance, compensation for loss of income due to death, compensation for loss of income due to that, as the fisherman died, so there is a loss to the family member that the income is no more coming in a regular basis. Health insurance compensation against hospital expenses. You go to a hospital and you met with a treatment, then you have to have the burden of this cost. Had you been insured, then this will be paid by the insurance provider. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has also launched similar life insurance, accidental insurance scheme for people of India to provide them social security for everyone. Most important factor to look at while buying insurance is sum assured. For life insurance, sum assured require 150 times monthly salary or rupees 2 crore, whichever is lower. 150 times monthly salary and 2 crore, whichever is lower. Health insurance is required for employer. If employer is not providing the same, health insurance is mostly required. Sum assured required for health insurance is rupees 5 lakh. Also it should depend upon your need and requirement. Now my presentation is complete. I request if anyone want to ask any question, then they can ask the questions. Yeah, one question I faced is related to life insurance. Life insurance is an insurance done on the basis of the life of a person. So the individual, if he is there, then it's okay, but if he is not there, then that particular individual will be compensated. That particular individual will be compensated for the life of the insured, and the who will get the benefit, the money will be given to the survivors or the family members of that particular individual. Now, why life insurance is important? Because suppose there are three members in the family, and husband is person X, wife is person Y, and there is a kid Z. If husband is the only earner in the family, wife is not earning, and if there is a small kid, then there is a deep trouble. If husband is no more, then how they will be able to live the life before the death of their husband? So they need funds for the child education, for the fooding, lodging, making the child go for further higher education, or the marriage of the child, the survival of the wife, etc. Then this amount will definitely help the individuals who are living after, who are survived after the deceased person, and the insurance company will give them protection by providing them the desired funds which are being decided at the time of taking a policy and plan. So my dear participants, इंश्योरेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंश्योरेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये आपको प्रोटेक्शन देता है किसी भी तरह के फंड्स के यूज की जो इमरजेंसी में आपके पास आते हैं. यानी कि कोई भी ऐसी चीज जिसके लिए आप प्लान्ड नहीं है और वो आपके पास आती है, तो उसके लिए आप पहले से व्यवस्था करें कि आप अपनी प्रोटेक्शन को ट्रांसफर करें. आप अपनी प्रोटेक्शन को ट्रांसफर करें किसके पास? यू आर ट्रांसफरिंग योर प्रोटेक्शन टू द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. You are transferring your protection to the insurance company. Any other doubt if you have? Insurance is very important. Insurance is most important for each and every individual. So with this, I end up this session. I hope you all learned good insight about what is insurance all about. And you must have, each and every participant should have the insurance at an optimum level, and they should definitely consider the protection for the whole complete family, whether it is health, whether it is life, whether it is assets, etc., etc. You should be completely protected. Protection should be there after, specifically after the COVID-19 pandemic. I wish you all the very best, all of you. Be safe, be in your good health, and be protected. Thank you very much.